Good morning, everybody. Hope all of you are fit and fine. Today, we are going to discuss addition and subtraction of decimal fractions. Addition is the act of putting the things together. 2 ones plus 3 ones give 5 ones. 3 ones plus 4 ones gives 7 ones. The same thing holds true for addition of decimal fractions also. Let us take some problems to proceed further. As you can see, I have taken 3 problems here. The first one, the first number is a whole number and the second number is a decimal fraction. In the second question, both the numbers are decimals, that is decimal fractions, but they are unlike decimal fractions. And in the third one, the first number is a whole number and the remaining 2 numbers are decimal fractions, of course unlike decimal fractions. What do we do? How do we solve them? Let us see one by one. If one of the 2 numbers happen to be a whole number, simply add the 2 whole numbers. 3 plus 4 is 7. Your answer is 7.56. If it is 18.234 plus 5, add the whole numbers. 18 plus 5, 23. 23.234 is your answer. Isn't it easy? Now let us discuss the second question, that is 7.45 plus 13.234. Both the numbers to be added are decimal fractions, but they are unlike decimal fractions, as the first one has only 2 decimal places, whereas the number of decimal places in the second number is 3. So our first step is to change them into group of like decimals. We have already learnt it in our previous video. You can take help of that, and your numbers will be 7.450 plus 13.234. Now arrange them in rows and columns as you do for the whole numbers. 7.450 plus 432.31. You may notice this thing, that I have begun to write the numbers from right side, second number from the right side. This is so to ensure that decimal falls in the same column, same place. 3 places are here and 3 places are in this number also to the right side of the decimal. This is very much important as we begin addition from rightmost side. So this is very important. Now add as you do for whole numbers. This is 4, 8, 6, 0, 2. Isn't it easy? Of course it is. Now let us come to the next question, that is the third one. Our third question is 8 plus 17.9 plus 123.289. One is a whole number and the remaining 2 are decimal fractions, of course unlike decimal fractions. We will have to change them into group of like decimals. How do we do? Here no decimal place. In this number only 1 decimal place. Here we have 3 decimal places. So for every number you will have to ensure 3 decimal places. 8.0 000 plus 17.900 plus 123.289. Now arrange the numbers in rows and columns and add 0.009.7198.2.321. And now add again as you do for the whole numbers. 9, 8, 9 plus 2 is 11. And if you write 11, carry 1, where to write the remaining carry 1? That is here or this side? Just this side as you do for the whole numbers. Point. 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 3, 19, 9, carry 1, 1, 1, 2 plus 2, 4, 1. I hope you will find it very easy. Our next topic of discussion is subtraction of decimal fractions. So let us go for that. As you can see, I have taken 4 questions in all. In the first question, the minuend is a decimal fraction, whereas the subtrahend is a whole number. In the second question, the minuend is a whole number and the subtrahend is a decimal fraction. In the third question, both the numbers are decimal fractions and of course they are like decimals. In the fourth question, the two numbers, both the numbers minuend and subtrahend, are decimal fractions but they are unlike decimals. Let us solve one by one. If the first number, that is minuend, is a decimal fraction and the second number happens to be a whole number, 5.345 minus 3, simply you can subtract the whole number from the whole number and your answer is 2.345. That is your answer. But in the case of the second number, where the minuend is a whole number and the subtrahend is a decimal fraction, you need to change them into group of like decimals. Here you write 3.00 minus 2.75. Once again, I would like to remind you, if you have any problem in writing the given numbers in the form of like decimals, you may refer to our previous video, a basic concept of decimal fractions. Now, as you did for addition, arrange the minuend and the subtrahend in rows and columns and subtract 3.00 minus 2.75. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. And this is 2 minus 2, 0. And this is your answer. Hope you will find it very easy. Let us come to the next question. In the third question, 13.45 minus 0.78, the minuend and the subtrahend, both of them are like decimals. So you need not do anything, simply arrange them in rows and columns. And subtract as you do for the whole numbers. 15 minus 8 is 7. 13 minus 7 is 6. This is 2, 1. I hope you would have no problem in doing this. In our fourth question, the minuend and the subtrahend, both of them are decimal fractions, of course, unlike decimal fractions. So whenever the situation arises, we need to change them into group of like decimals for the purpose of addition and subtraction both. 8.200. Now 3 decimal places, and 3 decimal places are here also. 0.234. And now subtract. The only thing you need to keep in mind for the purpose of addition and subtraction is that there should be equal number of decimal places in both the numbers or all the given numbers. Now subtract 0 minus 4, that is 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 3, 6, 11 minus 2, 9, and here it is 7. I hope now you can operate upon addition and subtraction of decimal fractions with full confidence. Now, as our last question, we are going to take a simplification problem based on addition and subtraction of decimal fractions. Here is the question. Here you can see a question: 2000 minus 155.984 minus 529.85 plus 0.7078. We will add the positive numbers together and the negative numbers together and then operate upon them. This we have already learnt previously. Let us proceed. 2000 plus 0.7078 minus 155.984 minus 529.85. 4 decimal places are there in this number, and this number has no decimal place in it. You can add them directly and your answer will be 2000.7078. The sum of these two numbers is going to be 2000.7078. Or you can add them by changing them into group of like decimals. 4 decimal places are there in this number. 2000.1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, 8, 7, 0, 7.0, 8, 7, 0, 7.0002. And now see the beauty of learning. This answer you already knew. This is going to be 2000.7078. Now here add these two numbers. Of course both of them are negative. Minus 155.984 and 529.850. Add the two numbers. 4, 8 plus 5 is 13, 3 carry 1, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18, 8 carry 1, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 9, 15, 5 carry 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, and 1 plus 5, 6. Now we have to subtract 685.834 from 2000.7078, and the two numbers, that is minuend and subtrahend, are unlike decimals. So you need to change them into like decimals, and I hope you very much know that. So let us do 2070,586, and now I am not going to solve it. You better solve it and write your answer in the comment section. I shall be waiting for that. Hope you have learned the topic well. In our next video, we will discuss multiplication of decimal fractions. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.